Hey, gadget lovers! Many people these days settle for tinny, weak sound from their phone speakers without even realizing what they're missing. Upgrading to a portable Bluetooth speaker will upgrade your daily life in ways you didn't know were possible. This is because the best mini speakers go far beyond simple sound, packing powerful audio, rugged features, and incredible convenience into a tiny package, and we have the top 5 options ready and waiting. But first of all, make sure to use our links in the description below because they're going to take you to the latest discounts for every product we talk about. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the AUKSKY 4.2 Pack Portable Mini Speakers. Now, the first thing that stands out here is the incredible value. For just under $10, you're not getting one, but 2 tiny Bluetooth speakers. Weighing just about 2.5 ounces and as small as a coin, these are arguably the most portable speakers on this list. They feature rapid Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, pairing within just 3 seconds, and they even have a clever built-in function for one-touch photography, allowing you to snap photos from your phone by pressing the speakers button twice. With a 3-watt output and a built-in microphone for hands-free calls, this AUKSKY pack is a fantastic budget-friendly entry into wireless sound, perfect for gifting or for keeping one in your bag and one at your desk. They come with a 1-year warranty and are available in a variety of colors to suit your style. Moving up to number 4, we have the Heotyrio Mini Bluetooth Speaker. This little speaker proves that great things truly do come in small packages, with an egg-sized design that weighs a mere 3 ounces. Don't let its mini size fool you. It packs a 5-watt full-range driver that delivers crisp highs and a surprising amount of bass for its stature. A key feature of the Heotyrio is its advanced TWS stereo pairing, which means you can buy 2 of them, double-tap the power button to pair them, and create a synchronized, immersive 360-degree stereo soundstage. With the latest Bluetooth 5.3 technology for faster pairing and lower latency, and a solid 8 hours of playtime at medium volume, this speaker is a reliable travel companion. Best of all, Heotyrio backs this durable ABS plastic speaker with an incredible 36-month warranty, showing a huge commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. Now, breaking into our top 3, we have the INSMY small Bluetooth speaker in the red color option. This is a fan favorite with over 3,000 ratings, and for good reason. It shares that powerful 5-watt output and also supports true wireless stereo pairing to double the sound, but it sets itself apart with a premium, compact metal body that feels incredibly rugged and durable. Weighing just 100 grams, it's about the size of a golf ball and comes with a braided lanyard for easy carrying. This INSMY speaker is officially waterproof and shockproof, making it the ideal companion for the poolside, the beach, or a hiking trail where a little rain or an accidental drop might be a concern. With Bluetooth 5.3 up to 10 hours of battery life and a built-in microphone for clear hands-free calls, this speaker offers a perfect blend of robust sound, a tough build, and excellent portability, making it one of the most versatile options on our list. And the runner-up at number 2 is the comiso small speaker. This model truly embodies the small but mighty spirit, and it's currently available at a limited-time discount. While compact, it features a powerful 5-watt driver and a passive subwoofer that work together to provide a louder and more impressive sound with robust bass than you would ever expect. Its standout feature is a superior IP67 waterproof rating, which means it's not just resistant to rain and splashes, but it can withstand prolonged submersion in water. This makes it an absolute champion for use in the shower, by the pool, or on a kayak. Built with a durable, fingerprint-resistant ABS plastic housing, it's designed for adventure. You also get the latest Bluetooth 5.3 tech for efficient power use and stable connectivity, and the ability to pair 2 comiso speakers together for a 360-degree stereo experience. With 7 to 10 hours of playtime and a full 365-day warranty, the comiso speaker offers incredible performance and peace of mind for a very accessible price. And finally, our number 1 pick, the INSMY wearable Bluetooth speaker. This speaker takes a completely different and brilliantly practical approach to portability. This isn't just a speaker you carry, it's a speaker you wear. Featuring a ultra-lightweight design at just 2.7 ounces, it comes with a sturdy industrial-grade carabiner clip that lets you securely attach it to your backpack, belt loop, or golf bag for a truly hands-free audio. It boasts the same IP67 waterproof and dustproof rating as our number 2 pick, meaning it's built to survive tough conditions on a job site or a trail. The sound is crisp and powerful from its 5-watt driver, and it supports stereo pairing for an immersive sound experience. Where it really shines for the modern user is with its cutting-edge Bluetooth 5.4 technology for a rock-solid connection and a built-in ENC microphone that cancels out 90% of background noise, making your hands-free calls crystal clear even in noisy environments. Whether you're working, hiking, cycling, or just doing chores around the house, the INSMY wearable speaker provides the ultimate combination of convenience, durability, and clear sound, earning it the top spot on our list.